going to show you very quickly how to move around letters. So first go to your album admin page, go down to letter sequence page, click on there, and it will open here this page that shows all the letters. Say I want to sequence them in alphabetical order. I will just click on a letter and drag it and drop it. By the way, take a look on the right hand side, there's distraction fee button. You can click on that. It kind of maximizes the window for you. So keep on moving the letters by clicking and dragging. I drag it and then I release it. And that's it. Then just make sure you click on Save these changes. Now, if I take this page, open it in a new tab and click on letter sequence, you will see that now the pages, the letters are sequenced the way you want them to be. If you just want to see the changes in the same tab without opening a new tab, you just click on Shift and while holding down the Shift key, click on Reload and it will reload your page. And that's it.